Whoa!
Oh my god, it's Iron Man!
¡A la verga, güey! ¡Ahí está Tony Stark! Whoa, keep calm, big man. What's up? One Direction has separated again?
Hulk angry!
You have two options. You calm down or I calm you down. Choose.
Smash Red Robot!
Oh, James behind the back and fine for the win. It's good. LeBron James.
What happened? Again, my green friend?
Green, damn, destructive, aggressive, impulsive, and destructive.
You know, you say destructive twice, right?
You are very destructive. A lot.
Okay, I get it. Sorry.
Mm, well, you want some tacos?
Yeah, why not?